Hey there, kitchen lovers! If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with smart, stylish, and genuinely useful gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 best kitchen gadgets that can seriously improve how you cook, prep, and serve your food. These tools are practical, well-designed, and perfect for everyday use. Make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen upgrades and honest reviews. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Round Stainless Steel Cookie Cutter Set. The round cookie cutter set is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys baking at home. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these cutters are durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. The smooth, polished edges give them a premium look while ensuring safe handling during use. This versatile set is perfect for cutting cookies, biscuits, donuts, pastries, fondant, sandwiches, and even pancake shapes. Each cutter delivers clean, precise edges, helping your baked goods look professional every time. Whether you're baking for holidays, birthdays, or weekend treats, these cutters make shaping fast and effortless. Cleaning is simple. Just hand wash and dry immediately to maintain their shine and sharp edges. If baking is your passion or you love creative food presentation, this round cookie cutter set is a simple but powerful upgrade for your kitchen. Number 2. Hosan 3-Piece Knife Set. The Hosan 3-Piece Knife Set is designed for both professional chefs and serious home cooks. This premium set includes an 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, and a 6-inch utility knife, covering almost every kitchen task. Crafted from Japanese AUS-10 high-carbon stainless steel, these knives deliver excellent sharpness, edge retention, and durability. They cut effortlessly through meat, vegetables, and herbs with smooth precision. The ergonomic pack-a-wood handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, allowing better control and reduced hand fatigue during long prep sessions. Balanced, stylish, and extremely sharp, this knife set is perfect whether you're upgrading your kitchen tools or gifting someone who loves cooking. Once you use knives like these, everyday prep feels faster and more enjoyable.
Number 3. Ninja Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set. The Ninja cookware set is built for durability, safety, and everyday performance. It features a dual-bonded ceramic non-stick coating that's designed to last significantly longer than traditional ceramic cookware. This set is made without PTFE, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, allowing healthier cooking with little to no oil. It's induction compatible, oven safe, and works on all stove tops. The heat-resistant handles stay cool during cooking, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy, even in the dishwasher. If you want reliable, toxin-free cookware that performs well day after day, the Ninja Pots and Pans set is a solid investment for any modern kitchen. Number 4. Bouquet Electric Food Processor. The Bouquet Electric Food Processor is a powerful and efficient solution for fast food prep. It features a strong motor with 2 speed settings, allowing you to handle everything from soft vegetables to tougher meats with ease. This set includes 2 large bowls, 1 glass for visibility, and 1 stainless steel for durability, along with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for consistent chopping. The built-in LED timer gives you better control over texture, while the low-noise copper motor ensures smooth operation. Stable, safe, and easy to clean, this food processor is perfect for anyone who wants faster prep without sacrificing precision.
Number 5. Prep Deck Chef Caddy Spice Rack. If countertop clutter drives you crazy, the Prep Deck Chef Caddy Spice Rack is the perfect organizational upgrade. This complete system includes spice jars, oil dispensers, multiple caddies, and both pre-printed and blank labels. Its vertical, space-saving design keeps everything within reach while maintaining a clean, modern look. The magnetic modular system allows you to customize the layout to fit your cooking style and space. Ideal for home cooks and serious chefs alike, this organizer keeps your kitchen efficient, stylish, and stress-free. Number 6. Vancaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware Set. The Vancaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware Set adds a bold, artistic touch to your dining table. This hand-painted stoneware set includes dinner plates, dessert plates, and bowls for 4 people. Made from premium ceramic, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, making it perfect for everyday use.
Each piece features a unique blue pattern, creating a vibrant and elegant dining experience. Whether for daily meals or special occasions, this dinnerware set combines beauty, durability, and functionality.
Number 7. Stainless steel vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer. This stainless steel vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer is a powerhouse for meal prep. With 8 interchangeable blades, it chops, slices, juliennes, grates, and shreds with ease. The 3X pressure lever design reduces effort, while upgraded safety handguards protect your fingers. Its removable structure makes cleaning quick and simple. From salads to stir-fries, this all-in-one tool saves time and delivers consistent results. Number 8. Eurolux Premium Electric Citrus Juicer. The Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer combines power and elegance. Its quiet motor efficiently extracts juice with minimal effort, while the one-touch operation makes juicing fast and easy. The universal cone fits most citrus sizes, and the built-in filter ensures smooth, seed-free juice. Made with stainless steel, it's durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Perfect for fresh morning juice without mess or noise.
Number 9. 3-piece stainless steel pie server set. This 3-piece pie server set is designed for clean cutting and elegant serving. Each stainless steel spatula features a serrated edge, making it easy to slice cakes, pies, pizzas, and desserts. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, these servers are durable, dishwasher-safe, and comfortable to use. The different handle designs offer flexibility for various serving needs. A great addition for bakers and dessert lovers. Number 10. Square glass storage jars with airtight lids. This set of square glass storage jars is perfect for keeping pantry items fresh and organized. Made from BPA-free food-grade glass, each jar features an airtight stainless steel clip lid with a silicone gasket. The wide mouth design allows easy filling, while the clear glass body lets you see contents at a glance. Ideal for pasta, sugar, coffee, snacks, and more. The set also includes chalkboard labels for easy organization. Stylish, practical, and reusable. These jars bring order to any kitchen.
That's it for today's top 10 kitchen gadgets on Kitchen Creations. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upgrade. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.